You know, for some people the red carpet is like at the Oscars, but for other people the red carpet is Easter Sunday at St. John's Episcopal Church. It's
Wow.
a true statement.
Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been such a while. I took a break from YouTube for a little minute, you know, just to recollect and rethink some ideas, you know, some things that I've been doing that haven't been working. So, you know, it was just a strategizing move that I took. But today I'm back. Joey and I are on our way to Savannah. We are going to see his parents and his grandparents. Let me get in the light. So we're going to go see his parents and grandparents for the Easter festivities. So we're going to go down there. We're going to be driving. It's going to be about 8 to 12 hours. Fun. Oh my gosh, my mom's wigs in the backdrop. But yeah, we're going to be going to Savannah. We're supposed to be leaving at 6 a.m. So much for getting up early. But we are about to hit the road. I'm just finalizing packing and getting everything together. I'm going to be taking you guys along. I will be vlogging as much as I can. I'm going to try not to be so invasive because, you know, his family, I don't know if they're familiar with the whole YouTube life, and I just always want to be respectful of people. So we're going to be doing that. I'll take you guys along. I'll be vlogging and just creating some good content for you. So let's go. So I had to change my outfit because this one over here.
No, I didn't say nothing.
Say that it looks like a nightgown. Talk about shade at 8 a.m. in the morning. Who does that? I mean, I just don't, babe, I don't get you. I need you to put your face here so people can see how shady and savage you are. You. Alright, we just made a quick stop to gossip, and I have been working on wedding stuff. I'm currently working on our wedding website. This is the perfect time to work on this kind of stuff because I just never get time to do this at work. So I'm currently working on the wedding website, getting that done. I feel so productive right now and I'm getting things done for the wedding because it's just seriously hard to do stuff during the week because I have work and then I have to go to the gym after work, and my life is crazy, but you know, I'm enjoying the journey so far. I was kind of worried that I would just be so bored. I hate road trips. I always tell Joey that, please, let's just fly. But you know, sometimes it's practical to drive, especially since we're going to be gone for the whole weekend. You know, you need a car, so it just makes sense for us to drive. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention is I'm going to be creating a section on my channel. So you know how I have different sections for example, makeup videos, fashion videos, travel videos. I'm going to have a section for wedding planning. And I think I've mentioned this before, but I'm going to create a section for all the stuff that I've been doing. I recently just made my wedding dress shopping appointments. So I'm going to be going to different bridal salons in New York and one in Georgetown here in DC. So yeah, I'm gonna be, you know, creating different videos on basically my wedding planning journey. So the first thing that will go up is my bridesmaids keepsake gift ideas. So I did record, well, rather film a video of when I was putting together all my bridesmaids keepsake boxes. So I will put that up as the first video for this section, and then the second video will probably be the wedding dress shopping because that's coming up soon. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know so you can... It's dark here. I just wanted you guys to know so you can just keep an eye out for that. guys, so this is day 2 in Savannah. We finally got here last night around 7 a.m. We are on our way to hang out with Joey's mom.
Hello.
And sisters. So I'll take you guys along. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog a lot, but we'll see. It's gonna be fun. One thing I've noticed about Savannah that I didn't notice the first time I came here is it's just so pretty. I didn't get a chance to really embrace the beauty the city has, because first time I came here was when I was meeting Joey's family for the first time. But it's just so beautiful, the pretty colorful Victorian houses. Oh my goodness, I can't. Look at this.
It's the best city to ride a bike in.
Really?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Hi, Joey.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna.
Oh, look at that little girl trying to touch the horsey. Oh, so cute. Hi, Mary.
Hey!
This is Joey's little sister. You have to introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Mary. I'm that one's little sister. I'm from Savannah, which is where we're at right now.
Oh, she's
Yeah.
so cute. Jessica, you want to say hi? No. She say no.
Hi!
This is
That's
Joey's
Mama.
mom. Cool mom over here.
Yes.
Joey's so embarrassed right now, clearly.
Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same.
So we had such a good time with Joey's family today, and I'm kind of tipsy right now, but
I'm not.
we just came down to the river
Show the
Joey
bridge.
can show me this amazing view. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's really beautiful. I think you can't see it really well at night. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is beautiful.
No, see that boat? Let's come and look at it.
Oh yeah, that's coming close to
It's like
us.
an old river queen. They call it the Georgia Queen.
So where does it sail to?
It just sails out to sea, and you know, I think they have.
Is it like a party boat?
It's kind of like you go and eat dinner on it. They serve you dinner, and then there's like maybe some dancing, and then maybe like
Look at that.
like a show or something like that. It's nice though.
It's pretty. I'm cold. It's
You need my
been chilly
jacket?
the whole day. No, I'm good. We're almost just go into the car, right?
Yeah.
Joey's giving me a little tour in his hometown. Oh, are they twins?
I'm sure it's like some kind of Asian.
Oh my gosh, I just saw these cute little girls. They're twins. I want to have twins so bad, if you guys didn't know. When we decide to have kids, I am aiming for twins. Today's Easter Sunday, and Joey and I just came back from church. Right now I'm gonna just shoot some footage. It was kind of difficult yesterday to get some amazing footage because I was with Joey's family and I didn't want to be that awkward person stopping and taking pictures. So now that I have some me time with Joey, I'm gonna go ahead and just shoot some footage. So one thing I've noticed is that Joey has run into a couple people ever since we got here. I would say over 10 people he's been running into. That's how small Savannah is. People he used to work with, people he went to school with. I'm like, I don't run into people I know in DC. I rarely run into people I know. But for Joey, it's I guess the norm here in Savannah. We just passed by this church, and then there's extra church ladies. I mean, hats on.
Here they are.
On,
shoot it. Look at them. Look at them.
I can't show them, Joey.
Oh my gosh, they're so extra.
Because then they're going to think we're violating their rights to
It's church lady goals.
So colorful. Is that a Southern thing?
Yeah. Having like a hat that's worth more than your outfit. Yes. It's like the loudest part of your outfit is the hat you wear to church. Like people,
really?
your life will be judged on what's on your head when you walk in on Sunday, especially on Easter Sunday. You can't just you know, pick up something for at the dollar store. No.
You have to go and splurge on a hat.
Yeah.
That you only wear once a year.
Once a year, once in your life. You get a new one next year.
That's true. Because then you don't want to be that church lady that recycles her hats.
Like, you know, for some people the red carpet is like at the Oscars, but for other people the red carpet is Easter Sunday at St. John's Episcopal Church. It's
wow.
True statement.
Last day in Savannah, Joey's taking me to this famous restaurant, you said?
Yeah, called Clary's.
Famous brunch place.
They mention it in the book Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, and if you get breakfast here, you got to go to Clary's.
So we're gonna go check it out. We're so mad that it's 80 degrees today, and on Saturday it was mid-60s, so it was a bit chilly. We're like, dang, why is it beautiful when we're leaving? I mean, all we wanted was warm weather, because that's how we packed. We didn't pack right for the weather. We're gonna enjoy the last few minutes of 80-degree weather before we go back to the cold.